In this video, I will show you how to fix the entry point not found dynamic link library error on Windows. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and press Enter. Open the official Microsoft website from the search results. Scroll down to the latest supported Visual C++ Redistributable section and download the x64 version. Once the download is complete, open the installer from your Downloads folder. Accept the license terms, click Install, and wait for the installation to finish. After it's complete, restart your computer. Once your PC has restarted, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. sfc scan now. Windows will now scan your system for corrupted or missing files and automatically repair them if any are found. This process may take several minutes, so wait until it reaches 100%. After the scan is complete, close the command prompt and try opening your application or game again. The entry point not found error should now be resolved. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.